Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share a post on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, scroll down your screen. And here you can see the share option in a post. Click on it. Now you can either send this post to your friends through Messenger or WhatsApp or group and so on. And you can also publicly share it by clicking on Share Now button. Before posting it, you can also type something about it and tap on Share button. Now go to your profile page to view your post that you had shared. And that is how you can share post on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.